me this big bad boy. It's not on Christmas, and I haven't opened this yet. But we're going to be trying two different guns. This one, a Fortnite one, and the gun inside there. And then my dog eating her ball, and it's popping. But it's a new ball, and I don't know why. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's get started by opening the tape. Whoa. Oh, I saw this big gun, guys. Whoa, there's 3 bullets. I'm gonna test it out. How do you lock it? How do you lock it? Hey, guys, my dad had to help me. Okay, so let's test it out. Okay, so I'm gonna do it against this box. Oh, it's a sticky one. I'm gonna try that again. That's perfect. Oh. Whoa, sometimes. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna do it right there. Guys, I'm gonna do it right there. Whoa! I got confused. I was too excited. But I can't miss some of the other stuff. Ooh, there's some instructions. Big ones. This is how you build this. Let's get all the pieces. There's really big stuff. Oh, I see the balls. Oh, this is big. I didn't know that this was this big. This is big. How are these kind of balls? We had to fast forward. And this is what the results look like, but we didn't have the D batteries. So, I guess we'll just play it out. Okay, so. Hey guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna be doing this some more on my channel, so make sure to watch all of them. See ya. Bye.